this YouTube studio is fake. Hey guys, have you been planning on starting your own content creation, but you feel frustrated and you're procrastinating a bit because you don't have a good background? Worry no more, because in this video I'm going to show you how to change your video background from something like this to what you're seeing right now. And it is very simple and it is free of charge. All right, let's get started. But before we get started, if you're just joining us and you've not subscribed, please click on that subscription button and turn on notifications so you get notification whenever I post any video. All right, number one step to follow is to record your video. Yes, record the video clip you want to change the background. And while recording, I recommend you use a good light source. For me now, I'm using my natural light. I'm sitting facing my door. You can face your windows to get a good light source, or you can use LED light or ring light. The ring light is still a very good one and it's affordable to get. But if you don't have money for that, just go for your natural light. Then I recommend also that you use your tripod so that your video will not be shaking when you're recording, so you have a stable footage. The first thing is to record. Like I said earlier, after you're done recording, you go to get your background image, and we are getting this background image from Freepik. I actually did this kind of video last month, but I wasn't that detailed. That's why I'm making another video similar to what I made before. All right, we'll go to Freepik and then we'll just use the search bar to search for study room and click on the search. So it will give us variety of pictures, so you just scroll through the one you want. I'm scrolling through to get the one I like, so I like this one. I'll click on it and I'll click on download. So I've downloaded it. The third step is to go to our editing application to edit it. So I'm using CapCut. I'll click on new project, and then to show the interface, I'll select the image I want to use, the background image we downloaded, and I'll also go back to add overlay and select the video I want to remove the background. So I'll just add the video now. So after adding it all, I'll just go to the video and I'll search remove background. I'll just click on auto remove and it will load up. I like to load up to 100% so that it will actually remove wire. After loading up to 100%, this is what you get. This YouTube studio is fake.